Hello guys, hello teacher, my name is Eliana Tavera Olivares, I live in San Victor Moca, I study at Luis Napoleon Núñez Molina. My teacher is Christopher Peralta. In the next document, I will choose will your son will choose for my friends. She is my friend. His number is Williandra Baez Peña. Willie wishes he has with home or homes. Willie wishes she have her blonde family with her. Willie wishes he has his or car. She is my friend. His number is Lady Diana Tejada. Lady wishes to have a family. Lady wishes she could travel around the world. Lady wishes to be an excellent teacher. She is my friend. His name is Keilari Erogenao. Kay wishes her grandmother to province. Kay wishes to travel the world. Kay wishes to be a good woman. Okay guys, thank you.